Hi, I'm Wonjong, Korean native. Welcome to WJ's Learn Korean TV. Today, let's do something different. How would you like real-life expressions Koreans use every day? I'm like forever trying to figure out what you need. Wouldn't it be more effective if you comment below and tell me what you want? How do you say frustrated in Korean? 답답해요. I'm telling my grandma the same thing over and over again, but she's not listening. Then I can say to her, 답답해요. Let's say it together. 답답해요. One more time. 답답해요. Besides frustrated, 답답해요 means suffocated. Your chest feels heavy, as if something's pressing your chest and you can't breathe. Then you can say 답답해요. Let's say it together. 답답해요. One more time. 답답해요. Feel better now? 답답해요 also means stuffy. I feel stuffy wearing a mask. I feel 답답해요 wearing a mask. Let's say it together. 답답해요. One more time. 답답해요. Staying home all day. I feel 답답해요. You want to do something, but you can't as freely as you want. So it makes you feel uncomfortable and you can't stand it. That's when you want to say 답답해요. Let's say it together. 답답해요. One more time. 답답해요. Actually, pronouncing this word feels 답답해요, doesn't it? To pronounce it, your mouth has to be shut. 답, which blocks air from coming out. So it feels, let's say it together. 답답해요. One more time. 답답해요. Excellent. Now you mastered 답답해요. Let's move on. The second expression, 수고하셨습니다. You can easily see people saying 수고하셨습니다 when they finish working with other people. What does it mean? 수고 means hard work, effort. 하셨습니다 is did with an honorific ending. So altogether, literally, it means you made a lot of effort, and it can be translated into English. Thank you for your hard work. I really appreciate it. Let's say it together. 수고하셨습니다. One more time. 수고하셨습니다. Notice, its nuance is more of keep up the good work. You don't say keep up the good work to your boss. Nevertheless, 수고하셨습니다 is a professional way to say goodbye to your coworkers when you leave work at the end of the day. Or you can say it to someone who gave you service. Actually, it's my favorite expression. It's just nice to hear someone appreciate me. So go ahead and use it. Let's practice. 수고하셨습니다. One more time. 수고하셨습니다. One last time. 수고하셨습니다. The last expression, 진짜. 진짜 is very similar to really in English. Add a question mark, it becomes a question. 진짜? Really? 진짜? Let's say it together. 진짜? Are you serious? 진짜? Together. 진짜? Did you really go there? 진짜? Together. 진짜? Put a period at the end, it becomes an answer. 진짜. For sure. 진짜. Isn't this fun? 진짜's casual expression. Okay, that's it for today. 진짜, 진짜. Thank you. Please comment below. Tell me expressions you want to know, and I will answer your questions in class, okay? We are building up this class together.